Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you updated your iPhone expecting to try Apple's brand new Siri AI only to discover that it's nowhere to be found? You're definitely not alone. Many iPhone users are asking the same question. Why isn't Siri AI showing up on my device? In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and show you exactly how to get Siri AI working on your iPhone. Apple's new Siri AI is one of the biggest upgrades to Siri ever. It brings smarter conversations, improved understanding of context, advanced writing assistance, and deeper integration with apps across iOS. The goal is to make Siri feel more natural, helpful, and intelligent than ever before. However, after updating to iOS 27, many users are surprised when these new AI features don't appear automatically. The first thing you should check is device compatibility. Siri AI requires powerful hardware to run many of its advanced features directly on the iPhone. If you're using an older model, your device may not support the full AI experience. If your iPhone is compatible, the next step is to make sure Siri is properly enabled. Open Settings, tap Siri and confirm that all Siri options are turned on. Then check that you're running the latest version of iOS 27 since Apple frequently releases updates that improve feature availability and performance. Another important factor is your language and region settings. In many cases, Siri AI requires specific language options such as English before the feature becomes available. If your language settings don't match Apple's current requirements, the AI features may remain hidden. Still not seeing Siri AI? You may need to join Apple's Access waitlist. To do this, open the Siri or Apple Intelligence settings section and look for an option to request access. Once you submit your request, Apple will review it and notify you when access has been granted. It's also important to remember that approval times can vary. Some users receive access within a few hours or days, while others may need to wait longer depending on demand, server capacity, and regional rollout schedules. So if Siri AI isn't showing up on your iPhone, don't panic. In most cases, it's related to compatibility requirements, software updates, settings configuration, language preferences, or waitlist approval. Following these steps should help you identify the issue and get closer to using Apple's latest AI features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iOS 27 tips, fixes, and Apple updates. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.